Find or read reviews that people are talking about LIULANZ wireless HDMI 2 receiver and transmitter USB-C extender kit. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Multiple screens expand simultaneously. This multi-screen extender features a new design, 2 receivers and 1 transmitter, wireless video to multiple TVs. Each transmitter is connected to up to 2 receivers. Streaming smooth video and audio to multiple displays all at once is a breeze. Seamlessly syncing streaming video, audio, presentations, games, and more to multiple TV screens, say goodbye to lags and tangled cable. Plug and play. This new upgrade wireless HDMI transmitter and 2 receiver is auto-paired before the factory, which is truly plug and play. No apps, no Bluetooth, and no Wi-Fi are required. Simple and efficient for saving your time and keeping your office or room tidy. Wireless HDMI to multiple TVs, just connect the TX/RX to the corresponding devices, wait 5 seconds, and enjoy the smooth mirroring of your screen. Note, please be sure to distinguish the transmitter and receiver before hooking it up. 165 feet or 50-meter wireless transmission. This ultra-long-range stable splitter utilizing a 2.4G/5G transmission protocol, the signal is stronger and more stable. Extending the transmission range up to 165 feet or 50 meters in line of sight. Ideal for business meetings, teaching, watching movies, football games, family gatherings, birthday parties, and more. Note, transmission distance and speed may be affected by crossing through solid walls. Support USB-C wide compatibility. The wireless HDMI multiple screens extender come with HDMI to USB-C/Type-C conversion cord, mini HDMI to HDMI adapter, micro HDMI to HDMI adapter, allowing you to have both HDMI wireless and USB-C wireless, suitable for MacBook Pro, M4, MacBook Air, M3/M2, Lenovo, Samsung. Compatible with most devices such as laptop, camera, cable box, PC, PS, Blu-ray player, set-top boxes, cable/satellite boxes, HD TV, projector, and more. Suitable for indoor, outdoor conference, home theater, multimedia education, game and streaming live and more. Support iOS, Android phone, tablets. If you want to turn iOS, Android touchscreen into a monitor, simply download the Tutu-Play app on your phone, tablet, and open the app to get a mobile display, allowing you to mix and match them as needed. Suggestion: 2 fixed displays plus 4 mobile displays or 4 fixed displays plus 2 mobile displays. Please note that touch screens cannot control the HDMI source in reverse. High definition movie experience. Build your own home theater by this 4K 60Hz Ultra HD wireless HD sender and receiver. You can enjoy seamless HD series, movies, live sports with your friends or family members from apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Sky Go, BT Sport, YouTube, DirecTV, Hulu, Comcast TV, Xfinity, Vudu, Movistar, and more. Support encryption screen projection apps. Supports 4K video input and 1080p video output. 5G/2.4G dual band. The HDMI wireless dongle for TV experience stable transmission across devices using both 2.4 and 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi for uninterrupted connectivity. Only ultra-low 0.1 s latency. 5V/2 amp power supply. Note: the HDMI wireless transmitter and 4 receiver utilize a 5V/2 amp power supply for stable connectivity. If the transmitter and receiver are not connected to the power cord, the video connection will be interrupted and the device will be unusable. When using, you must connect the power cord to ensure a stable power supply. Ensure correct setup. The wireless HDMI phone splitter surface is marked with TX and RX, transmitter is for laptop or camera, while receiver is for display connection. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.